Usually, once you're done treating, the next group of people on your team gathers up all the medical records from all the medical providers you have seen, such as the ER, chiropractors, physical therapists, and specialists, to comb through them for the documented medical evidence necessary to get you a fair settlement. This entire phase all depends on how well your doctors documented your injuries, treatment, problems in your life caused by the accident, how it hurt your work, how long it hurt to work, etc. In addition, are you permanently injured? Things like that. This documented medical evidence is the key to your claim. Without it, your claim may be in trouble. Remember, you almost never can sit at home for a year and say you were hurt without getting any treatment and expect a large settlement. Now at my company, we have on staff at least one nurse to assist the lawyers and paralegals in this process of reading records, gathering medical evidence, and so forth. We will send you a form listing all of the medical providers we show that you have seen, including ER, family doctor, specialists, physical therapists, acupuncturists, massage therapists, as well as any special tests you may have done like an MRI, EMG, NCV, CAT, etc. Take your time and really study this list. If we forgot someone, add them to the list. You should have a list of every person you saw for your treatment, their name, address, and phone number, as we discussed earlier in the DVD. If you don't, then you're slowing down your own claim. Now you'll send the form back to us to make sure we know all about your treatment. If you don't tell us about a particular doctor you saw, how will we know to include it in your claim or to pay that bill at settlement time? Don't assume we will know about it by magic. Tell us, or unfortunately you could be stuck paying the bill yourself. Be patient. This phase takes a while. Why, you might ask? Good question. Doctors can take forever to send us their records. Also, remember, we usually have one shot to present your documented medical evidence to the insurance company and avoid litigation. If the doctors do not honestly and accurately list all the key questions in their notes, like those discussed earlier on the DVD, the insurance company may not make a fair offer. In fact, there are many reasons why insurance companies might make bad initial offers. This will be discussed in the settlement phase portion later on in the DVD. Now, most times we need additional information from the doctors to get all of this documented medical evidence, and this takes time. We usually request a special report from them. It's called a narrative. Now, in these narratives, we want to know such things as, does the doctor feel your injuries are from the accident? Are you still having problems? Will you fully recover? What's your prognosis? Do your injuries cause you permanent impairment? Will there be future treatment, and if so, how much? Did past injuries play a part in the current injuries? Now, these reports can take weeks or months for the doctor to dictate and usually cannot be done until you're done treating. You see, for anything other than the most minor injuries, we cannot determine the real value of your claim until we know exactly what is wrong with you, how long it took to recover, and how long your life was harmed by the accident. We obviously cannot do this until you recover. A client who takes a year to recover from an injury has quite a different claim than someone who recovers in a month with little or no treatment and no negative impact on their life. You almost never can know the actual value of your claim until you have recovered, or a doctor says you will never recover because you are permanently impaired. Of course, there are always exceptions to this rule, like catastrophic injuries, but in general, it's true.
Hello, this is Attorney Vince Kloss again. Once we have all the information we can get from the doctors and other medical personnel, we combine this with all of our legal arguments in what is called a demand package. The demand package contains all of your treatment, who you saw, what is wrong with you, what were your symptoms, how long did they last, how your life was affected, did you fully recover, what is your permanent impairment rating, and much, much more. It is quite a detailed document and takes a while to put together. Remember, the alternative to taking the time to put together a complete demand package is accepting a low offer or filing suit and spending possibly years in litigation. So it pays to be patient and do it right the first time. Remember, we get paid the same day you do, and so we work as fast as possible to prepare your claim for settlement. While this phase is occurring, feel free to call the paralegal on your team that is assisting your lawyer. Also, you can make an appointment to talk to the lawyer on your team whenever you need. Also remember that if any of your friends or family members are involved in any type of accident during this phase of your claim, have them give us a call so that we can help them just like we are helping you.
I hope this DVD has helped keep you informed about what is happening on your particular claim. I have found over the years that if people understand the big picture of what is going on in their claim, then they're less likely to mistake the time it takes to get justice for something having gone wrong. Be patient. Trust us. Trust the information in this DVD, and I think you'll be happy with the end result. Remember, you can get paid quickly or you can get paid fairly, but almost never can you be paid both quickly and fairly. We hope that if you are happy with the services you've received from Chester Law Group, you will recommend us to your friends and family when they are in need of our personal injury services. Client referrals are a big part of how we continue to grow, and we hope that you will help us to keep growing and giving quality service, protecting the rights of those you love and those you care about, just like we did for you. Once again, thank you for putting your trust in the team here at Chester Law Group.